All right, here we go. Here goes the Maiden. It's getting a little dark. Not too bad yet, so you can at least see what's going on to make sure it's all trimmed out right. But here goes the first flight. Kind of the same deal again.
Yep.
Just gonna chuck it this way then. You good?
Yep, I'm good.
Final check. Everything looks good. Here goes nothing. What do you give it, about half?
Yeah, half to 2/3.
Fighting me a little bit, but
Oh yeah.
pretty cool.
Dude, I love it.
Pretty cool. I haven't flown a 3-channel airplane in a long time. It feels so weird.
This is one when you've got a bunch of fireball, you're nipping at it while you're flying it.
Amen. It's safe fighting me. It doesn't want to go straight forward.
Oh yeah.
And there's full idle. Wow, those lights show up really good.
Oh yeah, they do.
Not even dark. It's pretty rad. Do a ring around the moon here. Try to.
Which is right over my head.
Sorry.
There we go. We got the moon.
One thing was safe though, you can, like, I'm not touching the sticks at all. It's just kind of weather vaning and doing its own thing.
That's why I said fireball.
Here's safe off. You see, it definitely banks a lot better. We'll do full throttle. There we go, nose vertical now.
It's not slow either.
No. Boogie. Power off. We'll do one more glide down, then we'll check the battery for fun. You don't use much power, so that 2200 probably lasts half an hour.
Yeah, if it will CG.
I mean, just like, or I mean, not 22. What do I got? 1500. Sorry.
Yeah, I love the 1500 in this.
Think it'll loop?
Oh, it will loop.
Or would that be a no-no?
It'll loop. Just be high enough.
Loop. Alright, here's the battery we flew it on here. It's Turnigy 1.5, 1500, 25 to 35C. Always check the description of my videos because I'll have links to everything I use and some other tips. There you go, 52%. That was the timer set about, I think we were at 7 or 8 minutes on that total flight. So like I said, you only use power going up, it glides coming down. So pretty cool. GB Linden and I are going to enjoy this darkness with ours.
Oh yeah.
And we'll catch you guys on the next video. John VH out.